What about if we want to allow the user to give us his password, his or her password, the same site? Okay, so let me just copy that of the username, okay, and then paste, make the changes. So this is what I want to be displayed, so that the person will know that we are requesting for his password. Okay, the test will now be password. So the type of the information we are looking for is a password. The reason why we are using the password type, okay, password type also works just like a single line of text, just like the test, but then it encrypts, it hides the actual characters, or it blocks out the actual characters we are typing, so that when someone is looking over your shoulders, the person is looking on your screen, the person wouldn't know which keys you have what inputted, okay, which keys you have typed. The person will be seeing only blocked or hidden letters or encrypted letters, just like a bullet, okay. And then this place username, we want the server to be able to interpret this particular input as what, as a password and not as a username or as a date. So the name should be password, okay, password, WORD. It should explain. Let's leave the length also as 30. That means you can, when choosing your characters, you cannot enter more than 30 characters. Now you can see my password has also been added. Okay, anytime I type, I'm not seeing plain text just like this. So when my username is Sewuni, my password is what? It's blocked out like this, it's encrypted like this. Then when I hit my enter, to submit it to a particular website I've asked it to submit to. Alright, so that is it. That is, this type is password. We are not using test just like we used here. We are using password as the type, because we want our letters to be encrypted. Imagine if I use plain text here instead of password. Let me try it. Let me just put test here instead of password. So at the input type I've used test. Let me just refresh. Now when I start keying in my password, you'll be seeing exactly what I'm typing, okay. So the password type is just like the input of test type, but just that you must indicate that you are creating a password. Otherwise it will appear on your form wrongly, and when people are choosing their passwords, any other person can just see it. So when you change it to password and you start typing, now it is encrypted, okay. As you are typing, it is encrypted. So this is what we want to actually do. Now you realize that this input, okay, is it's an empty element, so it has no opening and closing tag. This as well,